How to buy part of a cryptocurrency coin. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have gained immense popularity as an investment option. While the price of some cryptocurrencies can be quite high, it's now possible to buy fractional parts of them, allowing investors with limited funds to participate in the market. This guide will take you through a step-by-step process on how to buy a part of a cryptocurrency. Step 1. Research and choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Research. Begin by researching different cryptocurrency exchanges. Look for exchanges that support the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in and offer fractional purchasing options. 2. Choose an exchange. Select an exchange that is reputable, user-friendly, and aligns with your preferences. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. Sign up and verify your account. Registration. Create an account on the chosen cryptocurrency exchange. Provide your email address, create a secure password, and agree to the terms of service. Identity verification. Most exchanges require identity verification to comply with regulations. Submit a government-issued ID, a photo of yourself, and any other requested information. Step 3. Deposit funds. Deposit methods. Once your account is verified, deposit funds into your exchange account. Most exchanges accept various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and even other cryptocurrencies. Choose an amount. Decide on the amount you want to invest. Since you're buying fractional cryptocurrency, you can invest any amount that fits your budget. Step 4. Navigate the trading platform. Find your cryptocurrency, locate the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most exchanges have a search function to easily find specific cryptocurrencies. Choose the trading pair. If the cryptocurrency can be traded against different base currencies, like USD, BTC, ETH, choose the trading pair that suits your preferences. Step 5. Place an order. Market order. A market order buys the cryptocurrency at the current market price. Enter the amount you want to invest, and the exchange will execute the order instantly. Limit order. A limit order lets you set a specific price at which you're willing to buy. If the market reaches that price, your order will be executed. This method provides more control but might not guarantee immediate execution. Step 6. Review and confirm. Double-check details. Before confirming the order, review all the details including the cryptocurrency, the amount you're buying, and the total cost. Confirm order. Once you're satisfied, confirm the order. The cryptocurrency will be credited to your exchange account. Step 7. Secure storage. 1. Exchange wallet versus personal wallet. While exchanges offer wallets, it's safer to transfer your purchased cryptocurrency to a personal wallet. 1. Hardware wallets or software wallets provide better security against exchange hacks. Step 8. Stay informed. 1. Stay updated. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, so it's essential to stay informed about market trends and news that could impact your investment. Step 9. Monitoring and managing your investment. 1. Stay updated. Keep an eye on your investment regularly. 1. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, and staying informed about market trends will help you make informed decisions. 2. Diversification. While you might be excited about a specific cryptocurrency, diversifying your investment across multiple cryptocurrencies can help manage risk. 2. Different cryptocurrencies can have varying levels of volatility, and a diversified portfolio can provide more stability. 3. Set realistic goals. Determine your investment goals. 3. Are you looking for short-term gains, or are you in it for the long haul? Having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. 4. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose. 4. Cryptocurrency investments, like any other investment, carry risks. 4. Avoid investing your life savings or money that you need for essential expenses. Step 10. Selling your fractional cryptocurrency. 1. Choose the right time. Just as buying at the right time is important, so is selling. 1. Pay attention to market trends and decide if and when you want to sell your investment. 2. Select a method. Similar to buying, you can place market or limit sell orders. 2. Market orders will sell your cryptocurrency immediately at the current market price, while limit orders allow you to set a price at which you're willing to sell. 3. Withdraw to your bank. Once you've sold your cryptocurrency and have the funds in your exchange account, you can withdraw them to your linked bank account. Step 11. Staying secure. 1. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA on your exchange account and wallet. 1. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, usually from your smartphone. 2. Beware of scams. Cryptocurrency space is also prone to scams. 2. Be cautious of unsolicited messages, phishing websites, and too good to be true investment opportunities. 3. Regularly update software. If you're using software wallets or any cryptocurrency related software, ensure that you're using the latest versions to benefit from security patches. Step 12. Learning and growing. Educate yourself. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are continuously evolving fields. Take the time to educate yourself about the latest developments, as this knowledge will help you make informed decisions. Join communities, engage with cryptocurrency communities, forums, and social media platforms. Learning from others' experiences and sharing your insights can be valuable. In conclusion, investing in fractional cryptocurrencies provides an excellent opportunity to enter the world of digital assets with a manageable budget. However, it's crucial to approach this investment avenue with caution, diligence, and a commitment to ongoing learning. By following the steps outlined in this guide and staying informed, you can navigate the cryptocurrency market with greater confidence. Would you like to learn how to buy part of a cryptocurrency? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. For more information on how to buy things with cryptocurrency and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.